Welcome back to the Eastman Garage. As you see behind me, there is a Cherokee and then another Cherokee. That's because I bought another Cherokee. All right, spur of the moment. We are headed, me and my dad, we are headed to go look at a Jeep. Basically, I just need this Jeep for the body, but I'm gonna see if I can use the motor and trans and suspension and all that for a little buggy thing. So we'll get there, check it out, and I'll let you know how it goes. Well, we bought a Jeep. We're doing 60 because the rear end shakes a little bit, but it's not too bad. It's pretty nice. I'll show you guys around in just a second when I get home. Okay, I don't know what this means, but there's a little house whenever I touch the gas, and then when I let off it goes away. There's my house, and then I let off, it goes away. Let's go, it made it home.
We decided that that one works mostly, so why mess with that one?
And instead, we're gonna still be able to drive that one, and I bought this one so that I can build it. So
this one will end up being the one that gets a 6-liter V8 and then the 9-inch axle, Dana 44
front, gets all the coilover bypass, bump stops, all 4 corner, 4-link front and rear. That's gonna be the monster eventually.
So the thing runs and drives. It's currently running.
It doesn't seem like it overheats. Airbag lights on. It's got oil pressure. Alternator's good. I mean, it runs all right. It's got 276,000 miles. The problem is, the guy told me that it was making a noise. So it's making a noise. It's definitely making a noise. But check this out. I mean, come on.
That just shuts too nice. All the doors open, shut, all the windows work.
Thing's pretty sweet. Little interior view. It's got freaking cup holders. Mine doesn't even have cup holders. That thing works. Dash isn't even cracked. Check out the headliner. Speakers in the back. I mean, obviously the thing's got 275,000 miles. It's gonna be a little bit dirty, but for being dirty, it's pretty clean. Solid wiring. It's got a nice little push bar and an Amazon light bar. Motor's not too bad. Like I said, pulling that out makes a couple noises that I'm not going to worry about. It's going to go into a buggy and then probably blow up eventually, but whatever. It's got aluminum radiator, which I've heard that those don't really work on Cherokees, but this one I think doesn't overheat right now, but in the summer in Arizona probably would. But yeah, everything else is not too bad. She stole my Jeep. See, I told her it would be a good investment, and now she already loves it. What do you think? Worth it?
Yeah. She's a little wonky.
All right, back her up in the rocks. She already got it stuck. These dang two-wheel drive cars.
I was like, tires are spinning.
So I tried to flex the one Jeep on the other Jeep. Did not work. I know the problem. It doesn't have an LS in it. So I'm gonna fix that problem in a future video. Maybe before we tear it apart, we'll just see how well it jumps and see if we can get it stuck. Because the thing's two-wheel drive right now, so. Okay, we'll just ignore that. Comment what you think we should do next. Comment what paint color we should paint it. And comment what we should name it. The other Jeep is Old Dusty. My wife named it that. So what goes with Old Dusty? Subscribe!
Oh gosh.